Welcome to our YouTube video series for terminated construction employees. My name is Christopher Neufeld of Neufeld Legal, and in this particular video, we're going to be discussing receiving nothing more than your regular paycheck as you get kicked out of the company. Now, we're not taking scenarios where you did something despicable that gives the employer the right to fire your ass and kick you out of the company. We're talking about just the regular, we don't need your services anymore. We're going to terminate you, fire you, and have a nice day. And by the way, here's your regular paycheck. Well, if your regular paycheck has nothing more than what you get every week before, then there's something of concern for yourself. Because even though most construction employees, when they lose their job, simply take that check and do nothing more, and some maybe send a very simple demand letter or have a lawyer send a demand letter, the fact of the matter is there are obligations upon the employer to pay you certain amounts. And the reality is, at least what we've seen, is that many of those payments are not being made. And this starts off with common law severance pay, but there are other underpayments that are not being made by construction bosses. And if you want to, you can simply walk away and do nothing. But especially if you're working for a medium to large size company, you really should consider taking a second look and bring in knowledgeable legal counsel to assist you in the process. Because the fact of the matter is, all too often, there's money that you're leaving on the table. Sometimes the construction companies don't know it. Sometimes they do. But when they do, and they've had to deal with it in the past, they've settled it, had confidentiality agreements, non-disclosure agreements in place, and keep people from talking about it. And they shroud it away. And that's what they're doing. And it's very likely that you are being taken advantage in these kind of situations. And it might be that they don't fully recognize it. They might think that the law is on their side. But there's only so much to the law that they know. Even their lawyers oftentimes don't realize the full implications of what they're doing. And they simply look to the very simple stuff, namely statutory regulations that provide that termination pay in lieu of notice is not required to be paid to construction employees. Yes, that might be the case, but that's not the end of the story. It is only the beginning of the story and the reason why you need to get knowledgeable, experienced legal counsel to give you some proper insights. That is what you need, and that is what we are here for. Because you should not be taking less than what you are due. And most importantly, you should get all the money that you have properly earned. Thank you.